Hi there, welcome to the AI Circuit Loop, your ultimate destination for staying updated on the cutting-edge development in AI for games, VFX, animation, and tech. This episode is brought to you by cgcircuit.com, our very own platform where creativity meets education. Whether you're looking to craft video tutorials or share digital assets, cgcircuit.com provides a space for the animation, visual effects, and gaming community to connect, share, and innovate. So plug in and let's dive into the future of digital creativity together. The December 6th article from Pyments titled Meta Releases Less Expensive AI Model Aimed at Open Source Developers dives into the latest move by tech giant Meta. They've recently launched Llama 3.3, an AI model poised to make waves in the open source community. Meta's Vice President of Generative AI, Ahmad Al-Dali, highlights how the model, although smaller with 70 billion parameters compared to its predecessor's 405 billion, packs the same punch. This makes it more accessible for small businesses, potentially saving them a whopping $600,000 in hardware cost. As someone who's been following the AI space closely, I find the competition between high-profile players like OpenAI's ChatGPT and open-source models such as Llama incredibly fascinating. The efficiency gains these models introduce can be game-changing, not just for corporations, but for individual developers and smaller businesses as well. In our work at CG Circuit, we've been utilizing such models to enhance chatbot interactions for developers, and the results are promising. However, I can't help but be cautious about also the flip side. What about, for example, the potential misuse by cybercriminals? As open source AI models become more efficient, it's not just legitimate productivity that's being boosted. Hackers might also find their capabilities enhanced, posing risks of more sophisticated cyber threats. Do we need to start worrying about a surge in mega hacks? That's, I think, a question worth pondering as we move forward in this rapidly evolving tech landscape. Next, let's talk about an intriguing article from ERP Today by Mark Vigoroso titled Microsoft Key Takeaways. The piece delves into how major organizations globally are leveraging Microsoft Copilot and AI technologies to enhance their operations, improve customer experience, and achieve financial savings. At the heart of the discussion are inspiring success stories highlighted at the Microsoft Ignite event. There are some standout examples like ABB's Genix Copilot for carbon management, Air India's AI-powered customer assistance, and C.H. Robinson's automated pricing system. Each of these showcases significant productivity gains and operational efficiencies. Internal Microsoft data reveals a substantial adoption rate of their AI solutions, with more than 85% of Fortune 500 companies using their AI and nearly 70% implementing Microsoft 365 Copilot. It's clear the move towards AI isn't just a trend, but a significant industry shift. Now, here's where my thoughts come in. I love efficiency. I mean, perhaps even more than I dislike inefficiencies. So seeing companies like Genix Copilot save up to 40% in operational costs is music to my ears. It highlights the kind of pretty massive potential of AI in operations. So imagine if every game studios, or frankly any other company, started leveraging AI tools specifically for operational efficiency. There are always a few processes in a company that tend to be incredibly inefficient, sometimes due to bureaucratic or maybe resource constraints. I think companies may benefit by dedicating someone internally to audit all operational processes to find areas that are kind of ripe for AI integration. So examples are kind of documentation tooling or employees onboarding. Even performance reviews could get a major boost from AI if done right. I would actually love to expand on this specific subject in a future episode. These companies would have a return on investment almost immediately, not to mention the long-term gains. And that sends a clear message, at least for me. It's essential to continuously seek out ways AI can improve business operations. The potential saving and efficiency gains are just too good to ignore. And finally, the compelling article titled Accelerate Your Generative AI Application Development with Amazon Bedrock Knowledge Bases Quick Create and Amazon Aurora Serverless, penned by Renisha Marar and Shayon Sanyal from AWS. Amazon is making significant strides with its Bedrock knowledge base and Aurora Serverless v2, offering developers a sophisticated setup for retrieval augmented generation or RAG workflows. These advancements are designed to streamline the process of embedding AI models with relevant external data for more accurate responses. What stands out is the Quick Create feature. It's like skipping the nitty-gritty of manual setup, allowing you to deploy Aurora Serverless v2 as a vector store with just a few clicks. That's a massive efficiency boost in any developer's book. The beauty of this integration lies in its automated processes. Everything from data chunking, embeddings generation, to vector store provisioning is covered. The use of AWS CloudFormation templates for setup automation is another masterstroke, ensuring that your deployments across different environments remain consistent and hassle-free. Aurora Serverless v2 with its PG vector compatibility is ideal for generative AI applications, thanks to its ability to handle both traditional database queries and vectorized searches. It's a step towards reducing infrastructure complexity without compromising on performance. And honestly, who doesn't appreciate that in this day and age? Amazon Bedrock's approach addresses a critical aspect, making AI application not just efficient, but also responsible, with a focus on privacy and security. This convergence of Bedrock with Aurora Serverless offers a formidable platform for developers seeking not just to create, but innovate. As someone who's been in the AWS ecosystem for nearly 15 years now, the idea of combining traditional database operation with vector searches in Aurora is intriguing. It's a smart integration for full-stack applications. While Pinecone has been my go-to for RAG systems due to its efficiency in fast vector searches, I can see Aurora being invaluable for comprehensive projects that also need robust SQL capabilities. Each has its place and strength, and ultimately, your specific needs should guide your choice. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Are you excited to delve into these new capabilities? Thanks for tuning in to today's AI Circuit Loop News Roundup. If you found this episode helpful and want to stay updated on the latest in AI, make sure to subscribe to the show and leave a positive review. Also, let me know in the comments, what AI story caught your attention today and why? See you next time.